How to link a YouTube video onto an Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's go. So first of all, launch the Google Chrome browser on your device. You can switch for any browser that you have. So as you tap on the Google Chrome, tap on the search bar and search for youtube.com. And as you search for YouTube, just make sure you have logged into your account, and more specifically, I'll be selecting my own video. So I'm just going to tap on my profile at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the profile. So here you can just search for your own channel as well. So you can just search for your own page over here. And I'm going to tap on one of these videos. Then here you can see the link over here. So you can just copy the link over here. And as you copy the link, you can now just go to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged into your account. And then all you have to do is just tap on new post, or you can select any post. You have already selected a picture and then tap on next. And as you tap on next, you can just tap on the description or caption box and then paste the link over here, and then you can just make necessary edits and then tap on OK, and that's how you can link a YouTube video to an Instagram post. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.